Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Anna's English Assistant. I'm Aana, and oh, wow, I am so happy to see you here today.
And I'm Tom. Hey everyone, welcome back to our little English family. Whether you're walking to work, sitting on the bus, or just relaxing at home with a cup of coffee, we are really glad you pressed play today.
Exactly. This is the place where we learn simple, practical English. Real English you can use right away in your daily life. No stress, just a friendly chat.
No stress is my favorite kind of English. So Anna, I have to ask, how are you feeling today? You look like you have a lot of energy.
Thank you, Tom. I feel great, actually. I feel full of energy because I looked out the window this morning and saw the bright blue sky. It just makes me want to move. How about you, Tom? How are you feeling?
Well, honestly, Anna, I'm feeling pretty good, but I'm a little bit sleepy. Just a tiny bit.
A little sleepy? Why is that?
Because it was raining last night, and you know me, Anna, I love the sound of rain. It makes me feel so cozy. I just wanted to stay in bed under my warm blanket and listen to the rain hitting the window. Tap, tap, tap.
Oh, Tom, that sounds very cozy. But I am definitely a sunshine person. But you know what? That is actually perfect.
Perfect? My sleepiness is perfect?
Yes, because today's topic is all about the weather.
Ah, I see. The weather. It is the most common topic in the world, right?
It really is. In English cultures, talking about the weather is the #1 icebreaker.
Icebreaker. That's a great phrase. It means a way to start a conversation with someone you don't know very well, like a neighbor, or a taxi driver, or a colleague.
Exactly. If you don't know what to say, just talk about the weather. So today we are going to learn how to describe sunny days, rainy days, windy days, and everything in between.
And we will talk about the feelings they give us. Anna's energy for the sun and my cozy vibes for the rain. So friends, relax, grab a cup of tea, and let's start talking about the weather.
And before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and keep making these lessons for you.
Yes, please. Okay, Anna, let's start with the basics. What is the weather like today?
That is the magic question. What is the weather like? Or simply, how's the weather?
Right, and today, for you, it is sunny.
Sunny. This is when the sun is shining brightly. There are no clouds. It feels warm on your skin. I love sunny weather. It makes me feel happy and optimistic.
I can tell. You are glowing. When it's sunny, people usually go to the park, maybe eat ice cream or go to the beach.
Exactly. We can say sentences like, "It's a beautiful sunny day," or "The sun is shining."
But sometimes the sun goes away, and then we have my kind of weather, cloudy.
Cloudy. That means the sky is gray or white. You can't see the sun.
Yes, some people think cloudy weather is sad, but I think it's calm. It's gentle. It's perfect for reading a book or visiting a museum.
You really are a cozy person, Tom. So we can say, "It's cloudy today," or "It looks like rain."
It looks like rain. That is a very useful phrase. It means rain is coming soon because the clouds are dark. And then, what happens next, Anna?
Then comes the rain. Rainy.
Ah, rain. Water falling from the sky. You can say it is raining or it's a rainy day.
And don't forget your umbrella. Tom, do you always remember your umbrella?
Honestly, no. I usually forget it and then I get wet. I get soaked.
Soaked. That means very, very wet, like you took a shower with your clothes on.
Exactly. But if I'm inside, I love the rain. It feels safe. It feels, what is that word we used?
Cozy.
Yes, cozy. But rain can be tricky. Sometimes it's just a little rain. We call that drizzling.
Drizzling. That's a fun word to say. It means very light, soft rain. You barely feel it.
But sometimes it rains very hard. We can say it's pouring.
Pouring, like pouring water from a bucket. If it's pouring, you definitely need that umbrella, Tom. Yes, you do. Okay, so we have sunny, cloudy, rainy, and windy. Very simple, right?
Very simple. But Anna, weather isn't just about what we see, it's also about what we feel, the temperature.
That's right. Is it hot? Is it cold? Let's break down the thermometer.
Okay, let's start at the top. When the temperature is very high, we say it is hot.
Hot, like in the middle of summer. You start sweating, you need water, you need air conditioning. Yes, when it's hot, I love to go swimming or drink a cold lemonade.
Or complain, "Oh, it's so hot today." That is a very common English conversation, complaining about the heat.
True, we love to complain. But what if it's pleasant, not too hot, just nice?
Then we say it is warm. Warm is a positive word, like a hug. It's a lovely warm day.
I love warm days. Spring is usually warm.
And then we go down a little bit. It's not cold, but you might need a light jacket. We say it is cool.
Cool, or sometimes chilly. It's a bit chilly this morning.
Chilly is such a cute word. It means a little bit cold. Maybe you need a sweater.
And finally, when it's winter, it is cold.
Cold. You need a coat, a scarf, maybe gloves.
And if it is extremely cold, like your nose hurts?
Then we say it is freezing. Freezing. I'm freezing.
I feel freezing just thinking about it. Tom, do you like cold weather?
I do, because remember, cozy. I can wear my big sweater, I can drink hot chocolate. Freezing weather is an excuse to stay inside.
I see a pattern here, Tom. You just want to stay inside with snacks.
You caught me. I'm guilty. But Anna, seasons change everything. Let's talk about the 4 seasons, because the weather depends on the season.
Good idea. Let's go through the year. Let's start with the time of new beginnings. Spring.
Spring. This is usually March, April, May. The flowers are blooming, the trees are green again.
Yes, the weather in spring is usually warm and sometimes rainy. They say April showers bring May flowers.
I like spring. It feels fresh. The air smells nice.
Me too. It gives me energy. And then, after spring, comes my favorite, summer.
Summer. June, July, August. This is vacation time.
Yes! Sunny, hot, long days. The sun stays up until late in the evening. It's party time.
For me, summer is a bit too hot. I get sweaty. I get tired. I prefer the next season.
Let me guess. Autumn? Or as Americans say, fall.
Yes, autumn or fall. September, October, November. The leaves change color, red, orange, yellow. It's so beautiful.
It is beautiful. And the weather becomes cool and windy. It's sweater weather.
Sweater weather. I love that phrase. It's perfect for walking in the park and hearing the leaves crunch under your feet. Crunch, crunch.
And finally, the cold one, winter.
Winter. December, January, February. Cold, freezing, and sometimes snowy.
Snowy. Snow is magical. Everything turns white. It's quiet.
It is quiet, but it's also slippery. Be careful when you walk.
Yes, don't fall. So we have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Tom, if you had to pick just one season to live in forever, which one would it be?
Ooh, that is a hard question. I think I would choose autumn. It's not too hot, not too cold. It's balanced. And it's cozy. What about you, Anna?
I would choose summer, 100%. I don't care if it's hot. I love the light. I love the energy. I want to be outside all day.
See, we are very different, but that makes for good conversation.
Exactly. And friends, that is why weather is such a good topic. Everyone has an opinion. Everyone feels it differently.
So let's imagine a real conversation. Let's role play a little bit. Imagine we are neighbors meeting on the street.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm walking my dog.
And I am going to buy milk. Okay. Hi, Anna. Good morning.
Oh, hi, Tom. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Wow, beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes, it's amazing. The sun is so warm. I'm so happy winter is over.
Me too. It's nice to finally leave my heavy coat at home. Do you think it will stay sunny all week?
I hope so, but I heard on the news it might rain on Friday.
Oh, really? Rain? Well, that's good for the plants, I guess.
That's true. Well, have a nice day, Com.
You too, Anna. Enjoy the sun.
Nice. See, friends? It was so simple.
We used phrases like beautiful day, isn't it? And I heard it might rain. These are very natural ways to chat.
And notice Tom said, that's good for the plants. That is a very classic thing to say when it rains. It's a way to be positive about bad weather.
Exactly. Even if I forgot my umbrella, I can say, well, the plants are happy.
Always looking on the bright side, Tom.
Or the cozy side. Now, Anna, I want to talk about extreme weather for a second, because sometimes weather is not just sunny or rainy. Sometimes it's crazy.
Oh, you mean like storms?
Yes, a storm. Thunder, lightning, heavy rain, boom, crash.
Storms can be scary. When there is thunder and lightning, I usually unplug my computer and stay away from the windows.
I actually like watching storms, from inside, of course. It shows the power of nature. But we also have fog.
Fog, or foggy, that's when a cloud comes down to the ground. You can't see anything. It's very mysterious.
It's very foggy today. Drive carefully. That's a common sentence.
And what about when it's extremely hot and dry? We call that a drought, but that's a more serious word. For daily conversation, we usually stick to sunny, rainy, and windy.
Right. Keep it simple. You don't need to be a weather reporter. You just need to connect with people.
You know, Tom, weather also affects our plans. It changes what we do.
That's true. We use the weather to make decisions. For example, it's sunny, let's have a picnic.
Or it's raining, let's cancel the picnic.
Or it's raining, let's move the picnic to the living room.
Living room picnic. I like that idea. See? Flexible.
So, friends, when you want to make plans using English, check the weather first. Use sentences like, if it's sunny, we can go, or since it's raining, let's stay.
This is the conditional. If, then. It's very useful logic.
Okay, Anna, I think we have covered a lot of vocabulary today. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, warm, cool, cold, freezing.
And the seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
It feels like a lot, but actually you experience these things every day. You just need to put the English label on them.
Exactly. So let's do a little review, a summary for our friends. I will say the energy version, and you say the cozy version.
Challenge accepted. Let's do it.
Okay, sunny. I say, it's a beautiful day. Let's go to the beach.
I say, it's too hot. I'm melting. I need shade.
Rainy. I say, oh no, it's wet. My umbrella is ruined. My shoes are ruined.
I say, listen to that sound. Time for tea and a book. It's so relaxing.
Windy. I say, my hair is a mess. The wind is annoying.
I say, it's a fresh breeze. It feels nice on my face.
Snowy. I say, it's freezing. I can't feel my toes.
I say, look how beautiful and white everything is. Let's build a snowman.
See, friends? The same weather, but different feelings. Both are correct.
That is the beauty of language. It helps you express your reality. Are you a Tom or are you an Anna?
That brings us to our favorite part of the video.
Yes, the question of the day.
We really want to hear from you. We want to know about your favorite weather.
So here is the question. What is your favorite type of weather and what do you like to do in it?
For example, you can write, I love sunny days because I like gardening.
Or you can write, I love rainy days because I can sleep late, like me.
Please tell us in the comments. Try to use the vocabulary we learned today. Use words like cozy, energetic, breeze, or chilly.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Just write what you feel. We read every comment and we love learning about you.
Yes, simple sentences are perfect. I like winter. I hate the wind. Anything is good.
And hey, if you found this video helpful, or if you just enjoyed hearing us argue about rain versus sun,
Friendly arguing.
please give us a thumbs up. Like the video. It really helps the channel grow.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We have so many more fun topics coming up. We're going to talk about travel, food, hobbies, and so much more.
You don't want to miss it. We're building a really nice community here, and we want you to be part of it.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Whether it's sunny or raining where you are, we hope you have a wonderful day.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Keep looking at the sky, keep practicing your English, and stay cozy.
Or stay energetic.
Or that. Bye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.